New day, new bag. Miss Jayan here of Purse Maison. This is my life and business updates. I am a CPA by profession and nag-work ako sa isang top auditing firm here in the country. And after briefly working with that company, I decided to join my boyfriend. Boyfriend ko pa lang siya nung time na yon. And we decided to start our small business. Nagbo-boom pa lang yung e-commerce noon. That's year 2013. We were lucky enough na matap as one of the pioneer suppliers ng isang sikat na e-commerce platform. I remember yung first luxury bag na binili ko was 2014. Louis Vuitton Favorite MM yung model niya. And nung time na yon, hesitant pa akong bumili ng ganun kalaking amount para lang sa bag. Pero yung boyfriend ko noon, ininsist niya na kailangan kong i-reward yung sarili ko for all the hard works. And doon nag-start yung passion ko sa love for luxury bag. Fast forward to 2020, yung support, very overwhelming. Kasi nga pandemic, sino mag-iisip na may maraming bibili ng luxury bag during pandemic? Lahat nasa bahay lang. Hindi ka naman lumalabas. And then, yung mga friends ko, they were so supportive, pati yung mga relatives ko. Nag-start yon, nag-consign ng mga bags yung mga clients. Naalala ko yung pinakaunang client ko. Minit ko pa siya sa labas ng village namin. I remember yung binili niya was Speedy 25 na bag. Gift yun ng fiancé niya para sa kanya. So, memorable yung client na yun. And then, unti-unti na kami nakilala sa Instagram. Actually, sa Instagram talaga ako nag-start. Kasi pag Instagram, doon talaga yung luxury. Nagbo-boost ako ng ads, nagpo-post ako ng mga bags, yung mga simple carousel posting. And then, napansin ako ng mga ilang influencers, and then, nagkakaroon na rin ng konting collaborations. Unti-unting nakilala si Purse Maison, even before mag-start kami ng content creation. So, naalala ko pa, nung nauso yung Chanel Classic Double Flop, meron yun in 1 month, nakasell ako ng mga 10 pieces. Yun yung pinakamalaking sales ko nung 2020. Nagulat ako na ang daming nagtiwala agad kahit bago pa lang ako sa industry. Isa pa sa mga memorable client ko, meron sa province. Hanggang ngayon mo-order pa rin siya and naka-almost 16 million na siya sa amin. So, grabe yung trust. Overwhelming. And meron pa, dati naming client ngayon, isa na sa part ng family ng Purse Maison. Kino-consider ko na siya na best friend. From client, naging best friend ko na. Sobrang trust namin sa kanya. Kino-consider na rin niya yung sarili niya as stakeholder sa Purse Maison. Siyempre, realistically, I cannot have all the bags in the world. So, yung passion na yon, yung love ko for the bags, I turned it into business. That's where the Purse Maison started. Nag-start yung Purse Maison sa bahay lang namin sa Magallanes. So, due to overwhelming support, kasi ang daming clients na gustong mag-walk-in, and syempre, hindi ko naman pwedeng invite lahat. So, I decided na mag-move in dito sa BGC to cater all clients para welcome sila lahat mag-move in. Ito yung current showroom namin kung saan nyo nakikita sa mga vlogs. Currently, 45 square meters lang siya. Sobrang liit pa. Pero nung time na 2022, nung nag-move in kami dito, for me, that was a bigger step na already. Kasi, nung time na yon, ilan pa lang naman yung bags na nasa display namin. Nagtuloy-tuloy yung growth namin. Before kasi, mostly kinikater lang namin are Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Fendi, and other brands. After namin mag-open ng showroom here in BGC, naging wide yung client namin na even yung mga high-end clients na naghahanap ng Hermes, naging clients na rin namin. One of the struggles na na-encounter ko during that time, I had this one client na pinapadala ko yung mga bags lahat sa kanya even before ma-fully pay, and then mag-issue lang siya sa akin ng PDCs and then tumatalbog yung check. Yun yung pinaka-first struggle na memorable sa akin. I remember, hindi ako makatulog for months kasi nasa kanya na yung bag, wala pang payment. So, tinago ko yun sa husband ko. Sobrang, akala ko nung time na yun, lulubog na yung Purse Maison kasi million yun yung napadala ko na sa kanya. So, thankfully, nakapagbayad naman siya. After that incident, natuto na akong kumilatis ng client now. After that incident, I learned na hindi pala lahat ng tao mapagkakatiwalaan. So, dapat i-filter mo din yung mga tao pagkakatiwalaan mo. And hindi lahat may good intention sa'yo. And ito yung second na struggle na na-encounter ng Purse Maison team. December 10, 2024. That was my birthday last year. I celebrated my birthday sa police station kasi nagpapa-entrapment operation kami. muntik na kaming ma-scam for a total worth of 5 million pesos. 3 Rolex watches and 9 bags and accessories. Sobrang memorable nun kasi ang laking amount noon that time for us, 5 million. Imagine, pinaghirapan mo, tas mawawala lang in an instant. Thankfully, kasi may mga mabubuting tao na tumulong sa amin that time para ma-entrap yung tao na yun. And ang wish ko lang doon sa tao na yun, sana itigil mo na yung pang-scam. Yun lang. I wish you the best in life. Huwag mo na ulitin. Nagpapayak mo ako. My content creation journey started 2025. Pero before nun, nag-content banking na kami ng husband ko. Yung husband ko kasi nag-i-strategize ng mga content ko. And nag-training din ako sa content creation. Kasi wala talaga akong alam totally sa content creation. Yung husband ko lang yung pumilit sa akin na mag-content kasi kailangan daw i-level up namin yung marketing ng First Mason. Nagtiwala ako sa vision ng husband ko. And ito na. That's where Miss J was born. We started consistently posting ng contents January 2025 lang. And naalala ko yung feeling ng first viral content namin sa TikTok. Sobrang grabe, overwhelming. Akala ko pa nga nag-boost yung husband ko nun. Kasi overnight, hindi ko lang tinignan yung page. Tapos pagising ko kinabukasan, sabi ko, wow, may 150k views na. Binoost mo ba to, babe? Sabi niya, hindi, wala akong ginagalaw. Tapos yung feeling na yun, yung moment na parang, ang sarap sa feeling yung may organic views ka, wala akong ginawang ads and all. Although yung mga comments doon, marami unnecessary comments. Pero yung feeling na parang, alam mo yun, parang kang nasa heaven. Ganun pa rin yung feeling niya. And then, after nun, after mag-blow up ng isang content, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. And then, napansin na ako ng mga ilang influencers and top-tier celebrities. And naalala ko yung pinaka-unang nag-trust sa akin na celebrity na magpa-content is si Miss Angelique Manto. She's a fashion influencer. Actually, yung content din with Angelique Manto, nag-viral din siya sa TikTok. Siya yung second viral content ko. And then, next yung kay Miss V. Cortez. Naalala ko, in one day, nag-1 million views siya sa TikTok. Tapos, 700k views sa Facebook. Considering yung followers ko that time sa Facebook was 1,000 pa lang ata eh. Basta below 2,000 pa yun eh. Kasi nga nag-start yung following ko ng 0. Hindi kasi ako bumili ng page, to be honest. Talagang nag-start ako sa 0 kasi gusto kong may patunayan. Sabi nga nila, from 0 to hero. So yung goal talaga ng content creation before is not to go viral. Bonus na lang talaga yun eh. Yung goal talaga is to build credibility. We actually don't create. We just document all the transaction dito sa showroom namin. So, sobrang overwhelming na nagva-viral yung mga contents. And then, aside from Miss V. Cortez, na napansin na rin kami ni Mon Gutierrez, ni Alexa Ilacad, Sam Quinto, Julia Barreto, and yung very recently lang si Sian Gaza, Barbie Imperial, and si Sir Gavin. Because of the style of our content creation, yung documenting nga, nagustuhan to ng mga viewers, ng supporters. And today, meron na tayong cumulative views of 300 million views across all social media platforms. Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So, sobrang thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yun lang, I'm out of words. Thank you. Since nakikilala na si Miss J. Ann as content creator and business owner, medyo dumarami na yung mga nagtatap sa atin na brands for collaboration. O, diba? Artista yan. So, ngayon I decided to be handled under Talent Management Agency kasi hindi ko alam paano mag-handle ng mga ganitong brand collaboration in the first place. So, I put my trust in them. So, for any future collaborations with Miss J. Ann, lahat yun idadaan na under the approval of the Talent Management Agency. We are very excited to share with you that we are moving to a bigger space this year. Almost 300 square meters, pero dito pa rin sa BGC. Kasi nga, dumadami na yung clients natin. Pag dumami ang clients, it means dumarami rin yung bags. And because dito sa First Mason, we are not just selling bags, we are selling experience. And we want to give you the best experience. And as part of giving you the best experience, some of you might notice na nagbago na yung color ng thumbnail namin. Yes, that is part of the enhancement and improvement na ginagawa namin sa First Mason. So part of it, binabago na rin namin yung logo namin from this to this. We are very excited to serve you sa bago naming showroom. Hopefully, mag-open na siya within 6 months. And gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng mga followers, loyal clients, celebrities na nagtitiwala sa First Maison and Miss J.Ann. It really means a lot to me. Hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa, lalo na yung mga nagko-comment. Alam niyo, nababasa ko yon. I'm very thankful sa support niyo. And natutuwa ako makabasa ng may mga nagko-comment na yung vlog namin nagiging motivation para sa kanila to work hard. Hindi lang siya about bagay. It's about giving the experience to the viewers kung ano yung feeling kapag bumili ka ng luxury bag. And nakakatawa na ngayon, ang dami nang nakaka-appreciate. I'm very thankful, Miss J.Ann and the whole team of First Maison. We wanna say thank you and sana supportahan niyo pa rin kami in the coming years. Thank you. And of course, hindi ko makakalimutan, special thanks sa ever-supportive husband ko, Ricky. Thank you. Siya yung nagpa-plan ng content ko eh. Shit, may... Niniyak talaga ako. Grabe.
Seryoso yan?
Oo, kasi pag nag-away tayo, wala akong content. So, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Yun lang. Ikaw naman.
So, speaking of contents, abangan nyo ang future contents and collaboration dito sa First Maison.